Handwriting. Settings. Text input and tool settings. Text formatting. Select formatting options for text. Insert into mozaBook. Insert text into your exercise book. Let's find out how to use the handwriting tool. Choose a blank, ruled, or quad paper style background. Click on this icon to delete a text you have entered. You can align a text left or right or center it here. You can also format the text you entered to bold. You can format certain letters or even the entire text to 4 different colors. The color of the blinking cursor indicates the color you have selected. Click on this icon to insert text into your exercise book. Insert the current state of the tool into your exercise book so that you will be able to pick up where you left off. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.